Guys, I have here a Pixel XL, which I picked up used, not the XL2. And yep, it has some problems. I knew this going into the purchase, but I said, what the hell? And I had to see for myself. So, as you can see, it's at max brightness, but definitely you can already tell there's some burn imaging. Previous owner was using like a Bitcoin app because you can see the mining speed and two battery icons there. So I have seen online, that the Pixel XL is prone to these kind of things, but I've never seen it to this degree. This is quite the worst. And you guys can see the display, but when I'm looking at this, I hardly see anything. Now, I want to bring it down for you guys, and I want to show you that when I dim that, you can barely see anything. Well, yeah. On my end, I can't see anything. It looks like it's pretty much off. Anyways, definitely some burn imaging, quite the worst. And I don't know. Hopefully, you guys can lend me some details. I would like to get this fixed. I know the digitizer, like on eBay, is around like 90, so it's like 100 or so. But we don't want to go ahead and buy that if that's not the case, and if it's not a guaranteed fix. Is it even worth the fix, the money? But anyways, maybe you guys, someone out there is having the same experience. Kind of sad because it's the first generation, still quite a good phone. Anyways, that's all. Leave some comments. This will definitely be up in Reddit. Yeah, till then.